Whoa! It's the viewers. Welcome back. Today's Friday, October 9th. My name's Cameron.
And I'm Danielle.
And this is the Falcon Weekly. First up this week, we've got Mr. Eggle telling you about this week's weather forecast.
Greetings, Falcons. Welcome to this week's episode of the Falcon Weekly. Today it's going to be a nice 75. Tomorrow's going to be 71. And on Sunday you can expect it to be a nice steamy 79. Pretty hot. As for the average of next week, it's going to be a nice 86. Pretty hot. And that's about it, Falcons. See you next week.
Thanks, Jordan, for that weekly update. Now here's Paul with his space facts.
Hello, I'm Paul, and for this week I wanted to talk about Neptune. It is 30 times as far away from the sun as Earth is, and it is the only planet we cannot see with our bare eyes. The last thing about Neptune I'm going to say is that it has 14 moons. Now, thank you for watching this week's Space Fact. I will see you next week.
Thanks for that, Paul. And now here's Dylan with his weekly history facts and trivia.
Welcome back, Falcons, to my trivia segment. My first question is, what is the hardest substance? Is it A, diamond, B, obsidian, C, granite, or D, quartz? The answer is A, diamond. Now for the second trivia question, what U.S. president has served more than 2 terms? Is it A, Franklin D. Roosevelt, B, Harry S. Truman, C, Dwight D. Eisenhower, or D, John F. Kennedy? The answer is A, Franklin D. Roosevelt.
Now here's Turner with his weekly update.
Good morning, Central Valley High School. Mr. Turner here with your weekly update. Wanted to remind you of a couple of quick things. Next week, we'll be on minimum day schedule all week. We'll be having conferences, and we'll also be having tutoring for a lot of students, and you'll be notified if you're needed to be able to attend that or required to attend that. So be on the lookout, especially over the weekend. You'll probably be notified before this actually comes out on the Falcon Weekly. So we're looking forward for you to getting caught up. Also remember, we have an 8:20 start time and students arriving at 7:50 a.m. For breakfast if you like, but most importantly, there's absolutely zero reason for you to be late in the morning at 8:20. We've started back at 7:40 a.m., so please arrange that you are here on time, ready to go. Teachers prepare hard to have their lessons ready to roll, and if you come in late, it's a big distraction to their classroom, and it's one of our BCVs about being respectful and being prepared, so make sure you're taking care of that. Also, I want to thank everybody for doing such an awesome job with the health protocols. As you know, we have to do everything we can here to help stop the COVID-19 from obviously being transmitted, and we are doing a really good job up to this point. I want to encourage you to continue to be able to attend Central Valley High School by following all those protocols. Our job is to try to keep you on campus and do everything we can so that we can stay here and continue learning from our excellent teachers, and we just appreciate all of the help that you've given us in that regard. You've been doing an awesome job, so we appreciate you for doing that. We're looking forward to some of the sports getting ready to go. We're excited about that. We have a lot of things going around campus with structures going up and facilities improvements, and there's a lot to be, a lot that will be happening over Central Valley High School over the 2020-21 school year. So continue to keep working hard. We will see you very, very soon. Take care and feel the Falcon pride.
Thanks for joining us this week, Falcons.
I'm Danielle.
And I'm Cameron. We look forward to seeing you next week, Falcons.